Bonjour tout le monde! This video is about knowing the best questions to ask for boosting conversations in French. Do you sometimes struggle to keep the conversation going in French? Here are 2 easy ways to using questions to have the lasting conversations you want and make far deeper connections with people. So you finally get to talk with someone in French, and you don't want to run through chapters 1, 2, 3, 4 of your book and end up asking, what's your name? How old are you? What's this? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Is the station nearby? Much as these are good questions, they seem a bit disjointed, certainly for a conversation, and if you actually answer them yourself, you'll find that you're probably able to do that in 1 or 2 words. It's a bit halting, right? So let's look at what could be better. Each of those questions only ask for 1-word answers. So ask a question that connects more and demands a more detailed answer. For example, do you questions require the answer yes or no? So yes, ask them and add something that stimulates a better answer. Asking for an opinion helps. So for example, you want to know more than just, do you like chocolate? Ask, what is your favourite chocolate? Then follow it up with why. There's always a reason. It's the why question that demands a better answer. You're automatically going to give more details. Why do you prefer white chocolate? Because it's sweeter and I can eat loads. Dark chocolate's so strong for me. What do you think? And you've got the conversation going. Then the how question is also useful. If you ask, do you like cooking with chocolate, for example, you will get a yes/no answer. So add the how question. It's going to make you think so much more. For example, how do you use white chocolate in your puddings? So from just the yes answer, you're wide open to a range of answers. Follow your own answer up with, what do you think? And you're likely to learn far more than just listening to yes/no conversation stoppers. So, in brief, the questions that get the most interesting responses are, what do you think, why, and how? Easy. Try it out for yourself and see how your conversation connects you far more to the person you're talking with. Love this video? Please like or love and leave a nice comment. It would make my day. Want to help your friends improve their French speaking? Don't forget to share the love.